In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best oil additive. So let's get started. Number 7. LIQUI MOLY Anti-Friction. This is a motor oil additive that proves to be rather efficient in reducing engine friction and overall noise. When used regularly, the product helps the engine accelerate better and run smoother, expanding its lifespan. Besides being useful for automotive purposes, this oil additive is also suitable for machinery and tools. The product is available in a bottle of 300 milliliters, which means it's long-lasting and beneficial for the budget. A drop or two of this liquid goes a long way. Even if you don't notice the improvement right away, the product will significantly prolong the lifespan of your car's engine and protect it in the long term. Number 6. LIQUI MOLY CERA Friction. This product is made to balance with any type of commercial motor oil. That means you can travel for a long distance without getting worried about switching your oil additive to work with a specific type of commercial motor oil. Once activated, the oil additive will eliminate any deposit blocking the filter system. It is rare to come across an oil additive that won't compromise its quality in either extremely cold or hot environments, but this product doesn't fall short of that expectation. It even gets rid of the annoying white smoke emissions when starting the vehicle. The 300 milliliter bottle can be blended with up to 5 liters of engine oil. Number 5. LUQUI's Oil Heavy Duty. This LUQUI's oil stabilizer is a reliable product that proves to be quite beneficial for old engines. It increases the oil life and reduces the overall oil consumption, maintaining the engine for a longer time. The 100% petroleum product is designed to eliminate dry starts and reduce friction, which eliminates noise and prolongs the engine's lifespan. With this product, your vehicle will become quieter and run smoother. The formula is quite powerful, so you only need a drop or two of this liquid to regularly maintain your car, truck, and other vehicles. Also, the liquid doesn't change the viscosity of the oil, and it protects the cylinders and piston rings. Number 4. MOTORKOTE Hyper Lubricant. This MOTORKOTE lubricant is suitable for almost all synthetic and petroleum-based oils. Its main benefit is versatility, as the product works on both gas and diesel engines. The manufacturer and professional mechanics recommend it for all automotive and machinery purposes, so you can use it on cars, trucks, lawnmowers, and other equipment. The MOTORKOTE lubricant is quite effective in reducing friction and heat for better engine performance. It helps the engine run smoothly and quietly and prevents dry starts, which ensures more enjoyable rides and a longer engine lifespan. Also, the liquid isn't too sticky and won't clog. Number 3. Hot Shots Secret Oil Additive. What makes the Hot Shots Secret Oil Additive stand out is the powerful formula that cleans and maintains the engine. The product increases the overall engine power, removes deposits, and reduces friction and noise. On top of that, it doesn't contain any harmful acids that could damage the engine, so your vehicle will be perfectly safe. This oil additive is very efficient in protecting the engine components and stabilizing the oil. You can use it on both diesel and gas engines. The product quickly gets rid of deposits, improves the mileage, and lubricates the oil pump, rings, pistons, injectors, and more. The results show almost immediately, resulting in more enjoyable rides. Number 2. Seafoam SF16. Coming in a 16-ounce container simply means you would be getting a very large quantity of the consumer's best choice oil additive, and settling for this product means you are settling for a product that guarantees the safety of the environment, as it is an EPA and PEA registered product thanks to its environmental friendliness. This is also a 100% petroleum formulation product, so you don't have to worry about harmful components. This is a trusted and reliable oil additive, as its powerful formulation makes sure works in getting rid of the buildup of contaminants, varnish deposits, and gum. These harmful components can be found right inside your engine, and people who ride older vehicles have expressed how satisfied they are with the performance of this product. It ensures a quiet motor operation, a decrease in drag, and a boost in power. Number 1. RevX Stiction Fix Oil. The RevX oil additive is also another reliable and trusted oil additive that users have to look out for when considering what oil additive to settle for. This is because it has a lot of benefits that it offers that would be vital in improving the performance of your engine. Speaking about benefits, the RevX oil additive has the power to reduce fuel injectors easily, and it does this by avoiding corrosive and harmful chemical strippers. Another notable feature of this oil additive is it would also mix with other powerful additives, and this makes sure only good is done to your engine and less harm, therefore, making it a good option for all engines. Turbochargers are bound to benefit greatly as a result of the additive's viscosity. One other benefit is due to its simple formula. You can trust this additive to perform great in gas and diesel engines.